Today, I'm going to teach you how to add sounds in KineMaster. So first, you're going to go to the sounds resource. That's where I get my sounds from. And I got my sounds from KineMaster and also some random packs that I got for voice lines. I don't know. So just search up what you want. You can search whatever you want, like, for example, we're gonna search Sonic Unleashed. Sonic Unleashed. And then it will show whatever you want. So you're going to tap on what you want. I'm going to tap on Sonic the Hedgehog. And they already put some of the voice lines in there, like the "Here we go" and all that crap. I have a great Jason impression. Anyways, we're going to download the sound. And with my phone, it takes a lot of time and patience and all that. Anyway, yeah, I'm not very patient. Check. Where is it? Alright. Xbox 360, Sonic. So then, Then, what I like to do personally is, since it doesn't always appear right away, all of these are just sounds I have before I made this video, like Sonic 06. So then, what you want to do is go to File Manager. Now, don't worry, this will work. It will take time for the sounds to go into KineMaster, but trust me, if you decompress the sound that you downloaded, from the sounds resource, it will go into KineMaster eventually. You just have to be patient and wait. I mean, I've always been patient and waiting to get these sprites and for waiting for sounds to download. I don't know how I still have storage left. My phone is probably going to die soon because die of storage, not die of percent. Alright, so then you get your voice clips. You want to decompress them. Anyway, I need to stop reliving my awesome childhood. I only ever knew about Sonic and Mario in my childhood, even though I've never played the games because my mom didn't have money. But again, as I say, it won't appear right away. You'll have to wait. So, yeah. And to be honest, when I downloaded Sonic Adventure voice clips, I didn't know they would give me Nazo Unleashed voice clips and Japanese Sonic.
Adventure mode. Story を進めるモードだ。Trial mode. 一つのステージだけを遊べるんだ。How to play with E102 Gamma. Great. そろそろ行くか。あれが奴のコア。
Oh my god, Japanese Sonic is so freaking funny.